Hello students, myself Adinath Badar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, late Pushpadevi Patil, Arts and Science College, Risod, Disk, Washing. In the previous three lectures, we will discuss the periodic properties like mainly atomic size or ionic radii, electron affinity and ionization potential. Now in this today's video lecture I am going to discuss electronegativity of an atom and effective atomic number. Now firstly we see the definition of electronegativity. So electronegativity of a bonded atom can be defined as its a relative tendency or ability to attract shared paired electron towards itself. Just consider here these two bonded atom. Any one atom ability or power to attract these bonded two electrons towards itself called as electronegativity of atom. Which atom would have a greater attraction or greater ability to attract electron in this bond and why? Now Linus Pauling, an American chemist and winner of two Nobel Prizes, came up with the concept of electronegativity in 1932 to help or to explain the nature of chemical bond. Here, this diagram clearly shows some values of electronegativity, like here left to right this value goes on increasing and top to bottom this value goes on decreasing. Now next, electronegativities of some elements. Here fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, carbon, hydrogen, sodium and cesium. Based on discussion or dissociation energy, this value goes on decreasing. Here fluorine carries 4 according to Pauling scale. Now electronegativities, looking across a row or down a group of the periodic table, we can see a trend in values, like here lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, that is left to right. Its value increases from left to right. What are the electronegativities of these elements? These are the question. Across a period, electronegativity increases, like left to right. Electronegativity values are increases. Now, looking down a group, that is top to bottom, as we move from top to bottom, the electronegativity's values goes on decreases from top to bottom. What are the electronegativities of these halogen? Like here fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, top to bottom. These values goes on decreasing. Here fluorine shows 4, chlorine shows 3, bromine shows 2.8 and iodine shows 2.6, means the electronegativity values top to bottom goes on decreases with increase in atomic number. Now here these are the trend, common trend. Electronegativity increases as we move from left to right. This value goes on increases, and as we move from top to bottom in a group, this value goes on decreases. In a period means as we proceed from left to right across a period means hydrogen to helium, the electronegativity value goes on increases due to the reason that the atomic radius decreases as we move from left to right. But since there is This phenomenon goes on increasing from left to right with increase in atomic number, thus resulting in increases in electronegativity values. Similarly, electronegativity also increases with increase in number of valence shell electron in the same period. Now in a group means top to bottom. As we proceed downwards, in a group, there is appreciable increases in atomic radius due to which added electron experience lesser force of attraction towards the nucleus. Another factor that is screening effect, that is interelectronic repulsion, which increases along the group due to increase in the number of inner cell, is also responsible for decreases attraction between nucleus and added electron, and hence although nuclear charge increases, the above two factors lesser its effect, resulting in decreases in electronegativity value with increase in atomic number. Therefore, we can say that small atom attracts more strongly than larger one, and are therefore are more electronegativity. Now next topic is determination of electronegativity values. There are two different scales to determine the electronegativity values of elements. First is Pauling's electronegativity scale or Pauling's bonds energy scale. This method takes into bond energies, that is the energy required to break a bond to form a neutral atom. The bond formed between two atoms, for example A and B, is generally intermediate between pure covalent A, B and pure ionic A plus B minus. Because of partial ionic characters, the bond is strong. In other words, the bond energy increases. The bond in fact is stabilized by resonance. So determination of electronegativity by using Pauling scale. Firstly, we have to measure actual or experimental bond energy, that is H, or bond energy when the bond is truly covalent, is equal to Q, and resonance energy due to ionic character of covalent bond called ionic resonance energy, means del, or electronegativity is equal to, or resonance energy is equal to, H minus Q. Since resonance energy is a measure of partial ionic character of covalent bond, and the difference in electronegativity between bonded atoms is also related to the ionic characters of bond, so resonance energy is also related to the difference in electronegativity of the bonded atom. Now the next scale is Mulliken scale. R.S. Mulliken proposed electronegativity scale in which the Mulliken electronegativity, that is Xm, is related to the electron affinity, a measure of the tendency of an atom to form a negative ion, and another is ionization potential, that is IE, a measure of tendency of an atom to form a positive ion. By the equation, electronegativity of any element is equal to IeV, that is electron affinity, plus electron ionization potential divided by 2, means electronegativity is equal to electron affinity plus ionization potential divided by 2. Now we see the how to determine the covalent characters of any bond. So firstly we see the what is positive ion. Positive ion are always smaller than the neutral atom or loss of outer shell electron. Here just consider the example of sodium. Here in atomic state sodium has a size is 186 picometer, as loss of electron goes 97 picometer. So size is decreases as compared to parent or atomic state ion. Negative ions are always larger than the neutral atom, or it formed by gaining of electron. Here just consider the example of chlorine. Here in atomic state chlorine carry a 99 picometer size. As he get one electron, it converts into Cl minus, and the size will be increases to 181 picometer. 181 pico. Now the next topic is ionic or covalent bond in a chemical bond. A covalent bond helps at an ionic bond